Welcome to Daily Fix Guide, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link myGov to ATO in Australia. So first of all, you'll have to go into your browser example and go to the URL section, and here you'll have to type my.gov.au. Once you do so, you should find yourself in this page. So basically here, you will have to go and sign in. Click on sign in at the top right corner and make sure to sign in user your ID, passcode, generator example, and just do not use like secret questions because it won't allow the ATO linking. So make sure to just sign in into your account and you should be good to go. Now, you on your dashboard as an example, once you sign in, of course you can do that also on the application if you have it on your phone. Once you are on the dashboard, you can click as an example on view and link services. For me, since I don't have an account, I'll just show you an example, this PDF. It is very useful. So an example, once you sign in into your account, you'll have, as we said, to click on view and link services and link to the Australian Taxation Office. Then you'll have to go and enter or confirm your personal details and answer just 2 questions about your tax record. And once if you can't find the link, if you're unable to link, phone us to get a unique linking code, and they'll ask you questions to check your identity. And this is to protect the privacy of your account. And remember that you can call also the Indigenous, of course, helpline on 13 10 30 if you get stuck anytime. As you can see, very simple process. Sadly, I don't have the dashboard, so I'll not be able to show you exactly how, but it is very simple if you follow the steps right here. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.